Hey, welcome back to the video new. Here you can see that I have the a login screen in the front of you, and this is my website in which I'm going to make this. So this is the website. Here you can see that this is a WordPress dashboard, WordPress official login page, but it's not look like WordPress login page because it is fully customizable, and I have changed its image and the form background. Background also, and here I have added the logo. So if you go to its backend, and let's go to its backend, and here you can see that this is the WordPress dashboard, which do not look like WordPress dashboard, the official one. Okay, so here you can see that I have a button here which is able to change it's from dark to white dark. Okay, here you can see that this is looking very awesome, and it is fully customizable, fully supportable with all your text and all. So how to do that? Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to do that. So okay, this is the login screen of the website, and this is how the dashboard looks. Let's again get back to the dashboard. I think it is stuck somewhere. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Here you can see that we are back to the dashboard, and this is fully general. So let's start the video, and we're gonna make this from scratch. Okay, so for making this on the from scratch, I have a demo website which is made on InstaWP. It is a website which is made on the sandbox. So here you can see that this is a very basic and official dashboard of the WordPress. So let's go to the plugin. So for making such type of dashboard, we have to install a plugin called Adminify. So install it. This is a new plugin, but it is very powerful. You can customize all your dashboard items, menus, links, and all. So let's activate it. Once you activate it, it will take you to this. Okay, I gonna skip this. If you want to read what is this, just read it about. So like this, you can see that after just installing the plugin, the whole UI of the dashboard is changed automatically. And here you can see that we have so many customizable option. So let's get back to the first customizable option. Here you can see that we can customize all this, go through each of them and read according. I'm not gonna explain everything. I'm gonna explain only the few things which are necessary. Okay, so here if you go to the customize, here you can see that you can change its color from here. It takes some time to load, but when you save and refresh, it will work. Here you can have the color palette if you want to change something. Okay, so let's choose this and let's save it. After saving, let's refresh the website. So after refreshing, you can see that it is changed. Okay, so I think this is a pro version. We do not have access to this. So okay, this is the free version of the plugin. So if you want the full customizable, you can use the pro version of the plugin. You can buy it from there. So here we can upload the logo. You can see that here is the logo Adminify. If you want to change for light mode, go to add logo. Let's select the logo. Uh, let's select this one. Okay. Okay. Roja bhai. So let's save it and see if it's changed or not. So it's saved. Let's refresh the website. Here you can see that the logo is changed. Okay, here you can adjust its width and height and all according to you. Let's adjust the width and height. Let's make it with 100 and let's refresh. So this is fully customizable, you understand. So okay, here you can change the dark mode logo. Means if you go to the dark mode, how the logo looks, you can add a black and white logo here. Okay, so this is fully customizable. So for so if you want to change anything too, you can go there. I'll show you one important option here, menu editor. This is also very useful. So menu editor is what if you want to hide your dashboard items from specific user, like if you want to hide the comment section from a specific user, you can hide it from here by going to the menu editor. Okay, so you can go one by one and you can check. So this is the dashboard UI change. So if you want to change the UI of the login screen, then how you can do that? So for changing the UI of the login screen, I think that option is available in the pro version. Okay, let's menu setting admin. Option. Yeah, that option is in the go to login customizer. Let's see it is available for the free version or not. I think it is available for the free version too, but you don't get any templates because yeah, you can only get this much template only. These are the these are for the pro version, so you can use this template. This is also looking good, this is also looking good, so I'm gonna use here this one. Okay, so let's publish it. So for viewing it, let's go back to WP admin and open this website in incognito window. So here you can see that the login screen of your website is changed. Ta-da! And so if you want to change the photo of, means if you want to add the logo here, okay, so you can also do that. And here you can see that we are getting a watermark. If you want to change the watermark, you have to update to the pro version, I think. So go and check it. There are so many options to change. Okay, so here is the option to change the logo. If you want to upload an image, let's upload this. Okay, so this is also available in free version. I think this is available in pro version, but it is available in free version. Let's go back here, login screen, and refresh the website. So here you can see that the logo is changed. I think it is PNG or what. So add a logo, add a different logo, and try out. So this is the way how you can customize your login screen and the dashboard of your website. So I hope you like the video. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.